Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to online class. I am your English teacher. Today we are going to do relative pronouns from English practice book, page number 55 and 56. First we will discuss what are relative pronouns. A relative pronoun comes after a noun to identify which person or thing we are talking about, or to tell us some more information about a person or thing. The relative pronouns are that, which, who, whom, whose. Who refers only to people. For example, I know the artist who made this painting. Who is referring to artist and telling us some more information about noun. Whom refers only to people. For example, the man whom I send a letter will help me. Which and that refer to things, ideas and qualities. Which is also used for animals. For example, my garden, which is small, looks spacious. The car that drove right past me was red. Here, which and that both are referring to things, that is, garden and car. Whose shows possession. The man whose bike was green laughed at me. Now, you can see that the bike belongs to a noun, that is man, and whose is showing this possession. So, whose is also a relative pronoun. Now, open page 55 of English practice book. Look at question number 1. Underline the relative pronouns in the following sentences. A. I talked to the girl whose car had broken down in front of the shop. Whose is a relative pronoun, so you will underline it. B. Mr. Richards, who is a taxi driver, lives on the corner. Underline who. C. I live in a house in Norwich, which is in East Anglia. Underline which. D. I can find the book that I bought last week. Underline that. E. That's Peter, the boy who has just arrived at the airport. Who. F. These are the people whom we visited yesterday. Whom. G. The man whose father is a professor forgot his umbrella. Whose. H. What did you do with the money which your mother lent you? Which. I. The car whose driver is a young man is from Ireland. Whose. J. The whom everyone loved so much was Tom Cruise. Whom. Now come to question number 2. Complete each sentence using the most appropriate of the relative pronouns who, whose, whom, which and that. A. The teacher would like the boy who threw the razor to stand up. Who refers only to people, and here who is referring to boy. B. The car crashed into vehicle that was approaching very fast from the opposite direction. Or you can say the car crashed into vehicle which was approaching very fast from the opposite direction. Both which and that can be used here, so both will be right answers. You can write any one of them. C. I know an old man who can play the guitar very well. D. This is the shop which or that sells the CD which or that you are looking for. Again, you can use both which and that in both blank. So, write one of them. E. The police have arrested the man who is suspected of murder. F. She is the author whom I have heard so much about. Whom is referring to author. G. I have an aunt whose cat is so fat that it cannot sit up properly. Whose is showing possession, that the cat belongs to aunt. H. We bought a big bag of plums which or that were not ripe. Both will be correct. So you can write one of them. I. My May's brother plays in the soccer team which or that has won this year's match again. J. The bus which or that leaves at 4 p.m. is the one which or that goes directly to the library. K. The teacher was angry with the boy who threw stones at the dog which or that had been barking at him. I have told you that these both can be used for animals. So, which or that both will be right. L. The taxi driver whose vehicle hit the pavement was not hurt. Question 3. Join the following pair of sentences with suitable relative pronouns. A. I saw the boy won the race. You will use the relative pronoun who to join these two sentences and it will become like this. I saw the boy who won the race. B. He built a cardboard house, it was not strong. He built a cardboard house which was not strong. C. I found the watch, I lost it yesterday. Watch is the thing that we are talking about, so we will use which. I found the watch which I lost yesterday. D. I love the people, they serve humanity. Here people is used, so you will use relative pronoun who. I love the people who serve humanity. E. She wanted to explore the forest, it was still unexplored. She wanted to explore the forest that was still unexplored. Homework. You have to complete question number 1, 2 and 3 on English practice book and learn these questions as well. Thank you.